Good evening, everyone. My name is Hirish Kumar. Today, my group members and I are going to present about the assignment that we get, which is we created a rock, paper, scissors game. So first of all, what we did is we included all the library that we are going to use in this particular program. After that, we declare all the functions that we are going to use in this program. So we also create an array which holds the value of rock, paper, and scissors inside the variable choices, as well as we also assign the value of number 3 inside the variable of number of choices. So all of these we placed in the global declaration area. So once we placed all of this, we created an integer main function, and the integer main function, inside the integer main function, once we run the program, the first thing that the output show is this one. So it will show the welcome to rock paper scissors output. So after that, the variable count will be assigned with the value of number 1, and then the do while loop will be started. So inside the do while loop, we call the play game function, and once the user give the particular input on the inside the play game function, then it will go to the while loop. So the while loop holds it controls the whether the player want to play again or not. So we call the play again function over here. So whether the user want to play again or not is determined in this play again function over here. So if the player wants to play again, the loop will continue back. If not, the loop exits. So once it exits, it will show the output, which is thanks for playing. So this is what we did included in the integer main function. So right after that, what we did is created a function for play game. So in this function, what we did is we called the get two functions over here, which is get player choice function and get computer choice function. So in these two functions, users will assign what they going to choose for this game. So the value that user chooses will be saved inside. Will be assigned inside the player choice variable. And as for the computer choice, will be saved inside the computer choice variable. So after that, once the variables are all all the assigned, and the output will show that what the player has chosen and what the computer has chosen. So after it display the what both parties have chosen, it will determine who the winner we will determine who's the winner by calling this function over here, determine winner, where it will compare the choices that made by the player and the computer. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Uqail Jeffrey bin Jumiat. My metric number is B112372 and I am from group C. So in this video, I will explain to you about the function of play again. So basically, when we write a function, we must have three things to do. Firstly, we must have a function declaration. So this is a function declaration that located at global area. So basically, function declaration to tell compiler information about this function and how this function can be called. Secondly, we have a function body. So this is a function body that located outside a main function. So function body provide an actual body of the function and define what the function does. And thirdly, we have a calling function. Here, play again. So we look line by line at the body function here. So I declare this function in bool data type because the return is in true or false. Next, chart response. So we want to accept input from the user. If they want to repeat, they press Y. If they want to exit, they press N. Therefore, y and n is in a char data type. So see out, display do you want to play again, y or n? So see in response, see out ENDL, creating a double new line. See out display equal equal equal. We want to make our output console more organized. See out ENDL, creating a double new line. So return response equal equal to lower y, or response equal to upper y. So this return response we present the play again here. So when we put the calling function play again here, actually same like response equal to lower y, or response equal to upper y. So if the user enter input y as a response, so the do while condition here will execute. But if the user enter response n or other character than y, so this loop will not execute and will exit this loop and will display see out thanks for playing. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Marwan bin Juna Azleen. Now I would like to share about the function that I do for this assignment. So the function that I do is a function to get player choice. We start with the line 57. We const char get player choice. We use const. The const keyword is used to define the choice array and the num choice integer as constant. So integer choice, why we use integer? Because we want the player to enter the number, one number only, that is 0, 1, 2. So we use integer. So the cout will display into your choice 0 for rock, 1 for paper, 2 for scissor, and in the player must enter the input, cout and line. So while choice less than 0, choice greater equal num choice. So if player enter the other than we declare in this coding, so the cout will display invalid choice. Please enter 0, 1, 2. So the player must enter again the choice. So if player choose choice 0, the cout will display rock like this. F is choice choice equal to 1, cout will display paper. So F is choice, player choose number 2, the cout will display about scissor. So return choice. Why we use choice? Because in return, if in function, if this coding use void, so the return with nothing. But in this case we use const, so we must write choice to keep the address choice in this function. So we can use this choice to get player choice. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, hi guys. So my name is Ravinkumar. So today I'll be explaining about the function to get the computer's choice. So firstly, the constant char asterisk get computer choice. So in here, in this line, we can see that the constant char, it's a constant that and the asterisk represent the pointer, so indicates the function will return as a pointer to the constant character array. So that is the meaning lah. And then this the get computer choice is the variable we will be it is stated already on top, right? So we just keep it that way. Then we go to the second line, which is srand static cast unsigned integer and time 0. And this line is actually it's a like line that we if the computer or the console want to generate some number, we will use this srand. It's that that's like a program syntax lah. It's like it must be there lah. So srand static as and unassigned integer times 0. So that is the thing that it will be generating automatic numbers. So after that, but what number you choose, you can choose any number, right? So to limitize the number in the second line, we use integer choice equals to rand uh, comes with the what they call percentage and number, which is only allow number to be from the number choice, which is number choice we already stated on top, which is 0, 1 and 2. So only got three choices, right? So in the integer choice, the computer will automatically generate a number from 0, 1 to 3 only. So it won't go above or less or no. You only can choose from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. That's all. And then after that we go from multiple way if, which is if the choice is the computer choose to 0 means it will come out as rock. And then this is the asterisk, like for the not asterisk, this is a ASC2 code lah for the symbol for hand sign lah. This is the rock, which is like this. And then if choice 1 is paper, will be the full hand. And then choice 2 will be the scissors. So all the display will become out. After that, if anything, that it will be returned to choices. That's all. Return choices means you will choose the corresponding string corresponding to random selected choice lah. So once it collects, and then it will be returning to the choices already. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Hirish. I would like to discuss the function to determine the winner. In this function, we will refer the topic string, which is string compare to determine the winner. So first, we can look at the line 154. If string compare player choice and computer choice equal to 0, we see out the result it is time. So we look at the line 159. Else if string compare player choice choose the rock equal to 0 and string compare computer choice will choose the scissor equal to 0, or string compare player choice paper equal to 0 and string compare computer choice rock equal to 0, or string compare player choice scissor equal to 0 and string compare computer choice paper equal to 0, you see out the result you win. So the winner is the player. Else you see out your result you lose, so the player is lose.